Class, welcome back to our math class. As you already learned last week about chapter 4 percentage, lesson 1 finding percentage and lesson 2 percentage change, today we are going to learn about lesson 3 solving word problem. In this lesson, students will be able to solve higher order word problems involving percentage change, relate the concept of percentage and fraction of fraction. Before we start our lesson today, we need to review the previous lesson about percentage change. Do you still remember the formula to find the percentage change? Okay, now look. Percentage change equal to the change out of original quantity and then you multiply it by 100%. Note, you can apply this formula to the percentage of increased data, decreased data, interest, and discount. Now go to the word problem. Example. Sean collected $925 on the first day of a fun fair. On the second day, he collected $728. By the third day, he had collected a total of $2,538. Question A. What was the percentage decrease in the amount of money collected from the first day to the second day? Give your answer correct to one decimal place. Question B. Find the percentage change in the amount collected from the second day to the third day. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. Okay, now we look. The first day, the model withdraw, it is $925. Second day, withdraw the model is $728. It is less than the first day. And the third day, we don't know how much, but we just know the total is $2,538. And the question they ask, you already know in A, they want to know how much decrease from the first day to the second day. Okay, now you look at the model. On the first day, it is $925. On the second day, it's just only $728. What you are finding is the decreased data from the first day to the second day. How much is it? I'll go to solution of the word problem. Okay, as you already see in the model and that I already explained that moment, the first day $925, the second day $728. The question asks the percentage decrease from the first day to the second day. A. Find the percentage decrease in the amount of money collected from the first day to the second day. At first, you need to know amount of money decrease. You take the money collected from the first day minus the money collected on the second day. So $925 minus $728 equal to $197. $197 is amount of money decrease from the first day to the second day. So to find the percentage decrease, do you still remember the formula? Yes, you take the change out of original quantity and then multiply by 100%. So you take 197 out of 925 and then multiply it by 100%. You will see 21.29%. But what they want is correct your answer to one decimal place. Do you still remember? Here is one decimal place, or we can call the tenth place. So to round off to one decimal place, you look at the digit in the two decimal places. So when it is 9, we round up. So answer becomes 21.3%. So the percentage decrease in the amount of money collected from the first day to the second day was 21.3%. Now go to question B. Find the percentage change in amount collected from the second day to the third day. Amount of money collected on the third day, you take the total amount here, $2,538 minus the money collected on the first day, $925 minus the money collected on the second day, $728. You will see $885. Okay, and then increase the amount of money collected from the second day to the third day. How to find it? Yes, you take $885 minus the money collected on the second day, $728. You will see $157. And then you find the percentage increase. You take the change 157 out of the original quantity, 728, and then multiply by 100%. You will see 21.56%. And they want you to round off your answer to one decimal place the same. So here the digit 5 is in one decimal place. When you round off, you look at the two decimal places. Number 6, you need to round up. So your answer becomes 21.6%. So the percentage increase in the amount of money collected from the second day to the third day was 21.6%. Now go to another example. Look at the word problem. Mr. V had a strip of leather. He cut 30% of the strip of leather to make a belt. The remaining length of the strip of leather was 175 centimeters. He then cut off 25% of the remaining strip of leather to make a bracelet. Question A. What was the original length of the strip of leather? Question B. What was the length of the remaining strip of leather in the end? Okay, look at the solution. A. Find the original length of the strip of leather. Original length is 100%. Remaining length is 175 centimeters. So we find the original length of the strip of leather at first. So if cut 30% to make a belt, it means 70% left. You take 100% minus 30% equal to 70%. So 70% is the remaining strip of leather. So you can say 70% is 175. You find 1%, you take 175 divided by 70 equal to 2.5. So find the original length 100%. You take 100 multiplied by 2.5 equal 250 centimeters. So the original length of the strip of leather was 250 centimeters. Now go to B. Find the length of the remaining strip of the leather in the end. Remaining length. Okay, you look. The remaining is 175 centimeters, but then he cut 25% off. So you find the remaining strip of leather in the end. So you can say the remaining at first is 100%. So you take 100% minus 25% that you cut off. You see 75% is the remaining strip of leather at the end. So 75% of 175 is the length of the remaining strip of leather in the end. 75% of 175, you can write 75 out of 100 multiplied by 175 equal to 131.25%. Sorry, centimeter. So the length of the remaining strip of letter in the end was 131.25 centimeter. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, you can ask in Google Classroom. Okay, see you next time.